how to make laundry soap. Hey guys, so you're gonna take your soap bars and chop them up as you see me doing here. Next, you will place your soap into the processor.
Cut it out. I did something. Mommy.
Warning, this is not cheese. Do not attempt to eat.
The next step will be processing the soap until it looks like minced garlic. Okay guys, so your next step will be placing your grated soap into a bowl that is lined with 2 plastic bags just to ensure that the soap doesn't seep through. Now as you can see here, my son is pouring the box of borax into the same bowl of soap. So the next step, you will be implementing the laundry booster in with the soap. Also, implement your 2 cups of baking soda as well. Next, you'll place your fabric softener in the same bag as the soap. Now, after placing all the ingredients in the bag, tie it up and place it in your container. Once in the container, you will stir it up or shake it. As you can see here, my son is demonstrating another way you can mix it. Alright guys, so this is what your soap should look like. I kid you not, this soap smells so good.
Give us a giant thumbs up.
Alright guys, you heard my kiddos. Give them a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.